Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to add an answer key to Google Forms in 2025. Whether you're a teacher creating quizzes, a trainer designing assessments, or just someone who wants to automate grading, this feature is a game changer. It saves time and provides instant feedback to respondents. Let's dive in step by step so you can get it done in no time. First, open Google Forms by going to forms.google.com or accessing it through your Google Drive. Start by creating a new form or editing an existing one. Make sure to add the questions you want to grade. Stick to formats like multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop-downs for the answer key to work best. Once your questions are in place, click on the specific question you want to set up. At the bottom of the question editor, you'll see an Answer Key button. Click that to open the options. Now, select the correct answer from the choices provided. For example, if it's a multiple choice question, just tick the right option. Next, you can assign points to the question right there. Maybe give it 1 point for a correct answer or more for harder ones. This is super useful for quizzes where you want to calculate scores automatically. Repeat this process for every question in your form to ensure everything is covered. After setting up the answer keys, hit the preview button at the top to test your form. Submit it as if you were a user and check if the grading works correctly. If something's off, go back and tweak it. One quick tip. For short answer questions, you might need to use exact matches or add answer variations to make auto-grading accurate. Finally, once you're happy with it, share the form via a link or embed it wherever you need. And there you have it. Adding an answer key to Google Forms is straightforward and efficient. This feature, updated for 2025, makes your forms even more powerful. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.